Sarah had come to live in a new place. Her room had a window, a very beautiful view from that window, like a dream. In a peaceful sleep, Sarah felt a different experience while strumming her guitar. A unique scent came from the guitar's melody. What does rose flowers smell like? Sarah thought. And at that moment a very beautiful bouquet of roses came to her. A beautiful young boy, Vihan, was standing in front of her door holding roses. Sarah's face turned pink. Who are these roses for? Sarah thought to herself. Vihan was looking at her with a smile. Sarah was confused by his smile. Did you pay attention to the melody of your guitar? Sarah was thinking, but Vihan's face was still smiling. Do you play the guitar? She asked Vihan. Yes, sometimes, but I don't play the guitar much, Sarah said with a smile on her face. I think you should teach me guitar, Vihan said. Sarah should be quiet for a while and think to herself. Why is this boy for me? Is he my guitar listener? And is there something different about him? Thinking, Sarah returned to herself. She constantly remembered the smiling shadow of Vihan's face. How beautiful was the smell of those roses! Sarah was lost in thought. That day, Sarah was filled with the same smell again. And the same young boy Vihan. Once Sarah had woken up. The thought of the rose flowers. Oh, you want to hear me play the guitar today? Vihan thought. Sarah accepted Vihan's offer, and the conversation was immersed in the guitar melodies. Sarah's guitar melody and the beautiful scent of roses filled the air. Vihan, how beautifully you play the guitar, Vihan said. A special sweet smile appeared on Sarah's face. You never forget the rose, Vihan said with a smile. That day, the members discovered the world in Mollah's melodies and words. And this made their story a beautiful journey. Sarah and Vihan were looking for something different, beautiful and unique. The pictures of their smiling faces and the guitar melodies gave life a special joy and meaning. The scent of roses, the guitar melody and the hour of love, a story that every home will tell. If you have a story like it, share it with a friend and subscribe to the channel.